Alright guys, this is the Steelbook unboxing of E.T. It is exclusive from Target in the United States. I know it is available as a Steelbook in Europe. I want to say you can get it from H&V. I will have the link down in the bottom of the video. Let's take a look at this. Looks like you get a digital copy and you get an ultraviolet with this. I was kind of excited when this came out. You know, I haven't seen this movie in over a decade, so I was pretty amped up when I heard about this coming out. Let's go ahead and get it unwrapped, shall we? Alright, so that was harder than it should have been. If I had a tripod like I wanted, would not have had a problem with that. Let's see. Looks like it does have the irritating glue on the back of this. Let's see if I can get this off without it sticking it off. No, not too bad. This case is not embossed, but it does have a nice matte finish on it. A nice finish on the back as well. So you can get your digital copy code right there. You know, just a few things from Universal. Not so much artwork on the disc here. And same thing for the DVD. It's just nice artwork on the inside though. I will give it to them on that. Well, that looks like that's about it. If you have any questions, just feel free to comment there on the bottom, and I'll see if I can get back to you when I am. Thanks.